Hi Patriots! I'm here to tell you about a tool that's going to be very helpful as you are getting started in your research for this project. The tool is called Snap and Read, and we are going to use it to put direct quotes and cite sources into our paper. So when you use the databases, you typically are able to copy citations right from the database. But when you have a regular website, you can't do that. And that's where Snap and Read comes in. So the first thing you're going to do is come over to this puzzle piece up here in the Chrome extension bar. Then you are going to go down to Snap and Read, and you're going to highlight it, pin it with the blue pin. Once you've done that, you'll see the bullseye for Snap and Read right up here. Click on the bullseye for Snap and Read and click Sign In. You will have to sign in with your K-12 Google account. I have already connected, so it's not that many steps for me, but you might have to allow access and things like that. So from there, you're going to see this bar that shows up on the right-hand side of your screen. You are going to open it up to show your outlines. That's the first thing. Then you're going to click here to create an outline. This is a Google tool, so it works just like Google. You can rename the outline. So I might call it, African American History Project, or whatever you want to name something so that you'll remember which one is the one that you're working with right now. So I'm renaming it, and then as I'm looking through and reading the article, I might find something that I want to use as a direct quote. When you have found that, you're going to click on this right here. It's the Capture Text tool. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to highlight the text that I want to be a direct quote. All I have to do is highlight it. As soon as I let go, I get the direct quote exactly how it should appear in my research paper. So I can just copy that and paste that right where it's supposed to be. Also, remember how the databases gave you the citation? Well, websites don't typically do that, but when you copy text and put it into your outline in Snap and Read, all you have to do is go to Sources, and it will give you the citation that your teacher is asking for. It automatically gives it in APA format, which is what Mr. Davis wants you to have. So as you can see, that was super easy. If you have any questions, please stop by the library. Mrs. Benazik and Ms. Thorson are happy to help you.